Okay, so how does your diet actually shape your genes? Let's break it down. Think of genes as recipes in a cookbook. When we follow a recipe to make a cake, we're expressing that recipe. Similarly, when our body follows the instructions in a gene to make a protein, that's gene expression. So let's say there's a gene that tells our body to make a protein that helps with brain function. When that gene is turned on, the protein gets made and our brain works well. That's gene expression in action. So epigenetic modifications. Imagine our genes are like a book and epigenetic modifications are like bookmarks or highlights in that book. These bookmarks can either tell our body to read a certain chapter, turning on a gene, or skip it altogether, turning off a gene. When we eat foods with these special chemicals, they can interact with our cells and change how our genes are used. This can affect how our body works both physically and mentally. When we eat foods rich in folate, those methyl groups from the folate can affect how our genes are tagged. This, in turn, can impact how our brain functions because certain genes regulated to brain health might be turned on or off differently. So basically, what we eat can change how our genes are used, which can affect our health in various ways. Understanding this connection helps us see how important nutrition is for overall well-being.